Guys, here are the three best things about the SIMGOT EG280 in-ear gaming monitors. Okay, first off, the hybrid driver setup gives you pinpoint audio for gaming and music. Okay, inside each earpiece, it pairs a classic 10mm dynamic driver for rich, punchy bass with a custom 6mm planar driver for crisp high frequencies. That means in competitive FPS games like Valorant or Apex, footsteps and gunfire positioning sound razor sharp, while music tracks sound full and detailed without any harsh shrillness. Okay, second, it comes with a built-in USB-C gaming DAC and custom sound profiles. You don't need an expensive external sound card or audio interface to drive these properly. The included USB-C adapter acts as a high-res DAC that plugs straight into your phone, PC, or laptop, and you can tweak the EQ settings through the companion app to boost audio specifically for FPS, MOBA, or AAA games. And finally, it's tailored specifically for long desk setups and clear comms. Okay, unlike some standard IEM cables that are too short to reach a PC tower under a desk, this one gives you a generous 1.7 meter, that's 5.5 feet for those of you who didn't know, oxygen-free copper cable. It also features an upgraded anti-interference microphone and detachable 2-pin connectors. So if the cable ever wears out, you can just replace the cord instead of buying a whole new pair. Boom. So guys, if you want an audiophile level sound quality with zero wireless lag and gaming focused features, these wired IEMs hit a serious sweet spot. You can get them right on Amazon. Peace out.